Hi, I'm going to show you how to have your child sign in using Google and how to join a Google Classroom. Click on the link that you received from your child's teacher to the Abington School District Instructional Resource webpage. It'll look like this. When you're on this page, click on the tab at the top that says Google Classroom. It should prompt you and bring you to this page that says Google, choose an account. If you're already signed in to Google, it may be over here where you can click use another account. So first time signing in, click use another account. In this area before at abington.k12.pa.us, please type in your student's ID number. Next, you'll be prompted to input your password provided by your child's teacher. Click next. And it'll open up your child's Google Classrooms. They might not have any yet. So over here on the right, there's a plus sign. You click the plus sign and it asks you to join the class. Your teacher should have sent you a class code in order to join. Once you input the class code here and click join, your child will go directly to your teacher's Google Classroom page. When on Google Chrome, if you click on the waffle on the top right side, you can see there are all the Google apps available. And if you ever need to switch users because you have more than one child using Google, they can click on this icon. And once they've signed in previously, their name will appear here and you will click them and put their password and they'll be able to switch over to their Google Classroom. Again, from the Google Classroom page, once your child is signed in to their Google account, click the plus sign, input the class code from the teacher, and they will automatically join the class. Joining the class only has to be done once, and then they'll automatically be included in that class. Thanks.